It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Thursday, the 24th of March. I'm Michael Groff. Get ready for the warmest temperatures we've had so far this season. Highs going pretty close to record territory in some spots, but then a change in the weather pattern for the first half of next week. A trough comes in here with increasing clouds, winds, and a pretty good chance of rain across most of the state. Does that mean we'll actually get some rain here in Phoenix? We are way behind on rainfall, so that would be nice. We will dive in and discuss here. First, let's take a look at the almanac from yesterday. 81 degrees the afternoon high, 60 was the morning low, the normal high 80, the normal low 56, and yes, you can see we are almost 2 inches behind on rainfall for the year. Looking outside right now at 5 a.m. Yes, clear sky out there, and we are sitting at 55 degrees at Sky Harbor. Dew point at 19, relative humidity 24%. The winds are light and the barometer 30.06 inches and steady. The upper air look this morning shows a ridge is finally building in here across the western states. That big trough that brought the severe weather to the southeast U.S. the last couple of days, it's slowly trudging east, and now the active weather will be confined to the Atlantic coast. And for us, a dry northwesterly flow continues and temperatures warming on up. The watch warning map is pretty quiet. Some red flag warnings over central and south Texas and winter weather issues over the northeast. The convective outlook for today, a marginal risk of severe storms over the Florida Peninsula and the middle Atlantic coast. And here's a look at precipitation valid through Thursday morning of next week. Rain amounts here in Phoenix around 1/10 of an inch or so. Heavier totals up north. These numbers continue to trend up as confidence is increasing that we will see some precipitation. But before we have that, oh yeah, we're going to step into the frying pan here for a few days. Let's talk about that right now as we get to the models, have a look at it. This is the GFS. It's the 06Z run, valid at 2 o'clock this afternoon. There's that trough in the east, a ridge building in here across the west. The heights are coming up. So for us down at the surface today, sunny and warmer, highs in the mid-80s. Tonight, clear sky, lows mostly in the 50s. And then tomorrow, sunny, even warmer, highs in the lower 90s. Here's Saturday, and this is likely the warmest day of the forecast period. Partly cloudy sky. We should be in the mid-90s here with the ridge still around. And the record high for the date, 100 degrees, set in 1988. That is also the earliest we've ever had a 100-degree temperature. So hopefully we can avoid that. Pretty likely we will. However, the hottest desert spots of southeast California, southwest Arizona will likely be in the upper 90s. Then on Sunday, we've got a trough that is lurking to the west of us. Some high clouds still coming in here. Rain is approaching the California coast at that time, and high temperatures should start to fall back toward the upper 80s and low 90s, but still, that's above average. Now here is Monday. Confidence increasing that we will see some rain chances coming into the mix with this trough. It's a fairly strong one for this time of year coming into the western states. And with it moving over the Pacific, we will see at least a decent amount of moisture filtering in. Now, there's still some timing and intensity issues with the models, but right now, the timing looks like we will see some rain increasing across southeast California and western Arizona by early in the afternoon on Monday. And we'll put a 30% chance of rain in the forecast for Phoenix by Monday afternoon. Breezes will start to pick up as well. High temperatures falling back toward the upper 70s to around 80. Here's Monday night. Rain becoming widespread around here. Showers will be likely. Now, this is not going to be a heavy rain event. At least that's not how it looks right now. But there might be an isolated thunderstorm. And over the higher terrain of northern and eastern Maricopa County might see some enhanced rainfall here. But it looks like rain amounts in Phoenix probably, at least according to the WPC, around 1/10 of an inch. Some models show as much as 1/4 of an inch with this. Either way, a showery night. And then Tuesday, we'll start the day out with showers around in the morning, then becoming partly sunny as we go through the day. Showers will be decreasing. Still breezy, cooler, highs upper 60s to middle 70s. By Wednesday, that's all out of here, and we start to see ridging build in behind it. Temperatures will rebound toward the upper 70s and low 80s. And then a week from today, this is Thursday, the 31st, that trough is over the southern plain states. We're under a drier northwesterly flow behind it, so sunny sky, high temperatures around 80 or so. Then, as we go out 10 days, this is Saturday, the 2nd of April. A big ridge is sitting along the west coast. We're under a northwesterly flow, and that looks dry and warm. Looking at rainfall for Phoenix, going out through the 7th of April, coming off of the European ensemble, and every single member indicates at least some light precipitation around here. The ensemble mean right around 1/3 of an inch. Some members a little bit higher here, so the numbers continue to trend up. We will watch this system very carefully. At this point, it looks like kind of a high probability, low QPF event. High pop, low QPF, but it remains to be seen. All right, and looking at temperatures off of the national blend of models, yeah, we'll be in the toaster this weekend with highs up into the middle 90s. And then look at that, a high of 71 is what it has for us on Tuesday. And we could even be cooler than that depending on precipitation. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video due back here tomorrow morning. If you enjoy these videos, be sure to subscribe, like, share, click that notification bell, leave those comments, questions, and suggestions. And music fans, I encourage you to check out my streaming station. It's still there. It's called KMGX. We play a ton of music, have a lot of fun doing that. Myself and the one and only Michelle involved in the programming of that. And you get to hear our voices over there. So what could be better? Of course you're going to listen, so I'm going to leave a link to that in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching, all of your continued support. It is greatly appreciated. You guys be safe out there and have yourselves a beautiful Thursday.